Hi guys, NCWQ here, and we're looking at EMSC, and there was a 6.0 South Sandwich Islands region, and this was 3 hours and 25 minutes ago. You can tell this earthquake was 14 kilometers deep, and it was 1,971 kilometers east of Stanley, Falkland Islands. So I've already mapped it on Google Earth. We can see that this is the region here, and this earthquake is falling near Vizcaya Bank and Southern Thule. And Southern Thule is a volcano, and this is the Bursakov seamount over here. So it's falling between the bank and the seamount. This is also the Kosminskaya fracture zone right here. Anyways, just a real quick update on this one. Then behind that, there was a 5.1 in southern Iran. So we're going to go look at this one. I have not looked at this one yet. Whoops, let me get this to open. So we're going to go look at this one here on Google Earth. This is the area where this one is occurring, near Daulatabad. And I'm not going to try to pronounce some of these other names, but this is Faryab over here. And this is the Strait of Hormuz here. So this is where this earthquake is happening. And then we have some volcanic areas over here, which is Shasavaran and Basman. So anyway, then we're going to move on, and there was another 5.1 in Iceland. So we're going to go look at this area. I believe this is the same area where all the other quakes have been occurring. So this is the area that's been quaking, and you can see these are the volcanoes here. This is Rekjans here. Kosovic is here. Brennisbajol is here. And then we have more up here. And this is where this earthquake is occurring here. Sorry, I don't have great views with this earthquake 3D. Anyways, you guys, just a real quick update. I hope y'all are doing well wherever you are in the world. Please take good care of yourselves and each other. Much love.